Heavydrive team replaces a pane weighing some 700 kilos in record time using the MRK 144S assembly crane and the VSGU 1500K vacuum suction system. The glass element has to be raised below a 1.5 meter deep protrusion. No problem for the Heavydrive systems. The assembly crane's telescopic arm can be extended to 14.4 meters. This allows the operator to precisely guide the pane by remote control. Rotatable through 360 degrees, the MRK is able to transport the pane without any movement of the crane. The installation of the new pane is equally straightforward. The 3.2 meter wide and 2.5 meter high element is suctioned in the middle and transported to the building. A concrete surround conceals the window opening flush with the façade by half a meter. This requires the operator to weave the pane into the façade with millimeter precision. The panes are replaced within just 2 hours. The vacuum suction system is compactly stowed in a few simple steps. The MRK is also ready to be transported within a matter of minutes. As there is no access to the site, the assembly crane has to be taken to the HGV by a truck-mounted crane. Thanks to their compact design, the Heavydrive devices can be quickly loaded in a space-saving arrangement by just one operator.